Governor of Bauchi, aka AK-47. I remember that man. The man wey come outside, they tell us say headsmen get right to carry AK-47 because nobody to protect them. Ngwanu. Criticism, how na dey call am for English? Anyhow, e don reach am now. People don dey tell am say it's against the law. Now he don't come out, come they tell us say we misunderstand them. Say he no try tell us say they get right to carry AK-47. Say when he talk say AK-47, what he mean be figure of speech. Make una no laugh yet oh. And he come add on top say those people where they carry illegal AK-47. Listen, oh, illegal AK-47 say they supposed kill them. So before I go start now and I go tell say my mouth too sharp. Make una join me. Listen to wetin AK-47 they talk.
Usually when we mention AK-47, it's a figure of speech. What I am saying is not to legalize carrying of AK-47. I must be understood. I was just trying to situate the problem to the extent that the desperation is too much and there is no help from anywhere, both from the communities, even from the kings and kin, both from the local authorities, from the subnationals, and even from the federal government.
What I don't understand now, we say, how some people can become governors. Now wait, I still see that mathematics, I still they solve them. How they become, una know where they tell now, X plus Y equals to this, look for X. I still they find X. So how these people become governor? How they sit down that seat? I don't know. Imagine person as old as you are. Hey! If na other countries we there, like by now they don't force this man make he resign. They don't they don't force am make he resign. Because calm down. Not be only figure of speech, now figure of resemblance. I better bring this man outside. Get some things. I know they like all this kind. So, sir, hey, Chineke, you say na figure of speech, AK-47 now. You don't turn to figure of speech because, sir, with due respect, which figure of speech is it irony or hyperbole? I need to know. So because as they ask you questions, start to answer me because as you know, my blood to the hot and I know they take nonsense. You understand? Nothing where red bra no go see for which a chest. Also, you know a figure of speech. The Mr. English teacher. Even Shakespeare self no reach your level for English. AK-47 figure of speech. Well done. Congratulations, oh. Congratulations, because as it is now, you yourself you don't even know, but you just make yourself full of yourself for yourself. Only you. And I sympathize with your family members because they should say shame don't even cover all their body wear clothes. Because of people like this man, outsiders know they gree do business with us again. Because they find honest people we not get. Check how many honest politicians you feel point today say this one an honest person. If una fit find honest politician, let me say I fit find a virgin ashawo. Now like this we dey because see all of them. Imagine they don't catch you. You are wrong. For you to tell us say headsmen get right to carry AK-47 already you automatically they wrong go. For una to see say pride don't kill these people. Pride don't finish their life. They not fit just come outside. Oh, I'm so sorry for what I said. This. Even sorry, you know fit talk. Even they use another rubbish. They cover the nonsense where you don't vomit. I know. You God. Why I no fit just get small power? Make I just do some wonders. Una don't. Make I not just talk wetin in my mouth, or if not, problem go just start. School no be scam. Anybody will tell you say if you go school na scam, na lie. For this life where you dey, try go school. You get why? Try go school. So that you no go dey come outside, they embarrass people. See big position where they give people like this one. Governor. Even as teacher self, you know they qualify. At the craze, say I get school, I employ this one. I no fit. Except if I want make all my students become headsmen. I no fit. So because make una try go school. Imagine statement where this man make with his mouth. say those carrying illegal AK-47. So now we get illegal AK-47 and we get legal AK-47. Bros, you see that legal AK-47? I want to see am. Show me the difference between the illegal and the legal, so that we go know. Me, I no go argue with you. I don't come give you my own point. So meaning say now, in conclusion, my own conclusion, whether you na like am or not, I go talk am like that. So now from now, because all the farmers, if you know say they watch me with farmer, because now you dey allowed to carry figure of speech. No, you don't give her name, you don't change the name, not be AK-47 again. You understand? So from now on, anyway, you know say they say figure of speech, go carry am. Because now everybody, all the farmers, una get right to figure of speech. Since headsmen get right to figure of speech, let the speech be figuring like that. You understand? Maybe they figure the speech they go. Because I know understand how person will just come out, they talk. I don't wait to. These people no get shame. Oh. Hey, voila. Shame, small one like this. And you know say billions of people they watch you. You they come out. Pride na bad thing. Pride na bad thing. When I don't hear am o, farmers, make I not repeat myself. Figure of what? Speech. Thank you very much. These people, they think say they wise. My people, I better drop your comment for the comment section. If you agree, say farmers too suppose carry figure of speech. Drop and there. If you no agree, drop and give me your reasons. I go reply on one by one. And make sure say you na subscribe. Very, very important. And share this video so that all the farmers go know. And all the people wey no know who be AK-47 master, they go hear them for your mouth. So stay tuned for our next stories. But they judge don't come tell us how Tinubu they carry billions of naira from Lagos, they squander am anyhow. In fact, this man don't come open our eyes again. Many things una no be in dream say una go hear am for this life. This man don't bring and come our table. And for now, we no know who be Bode George. Him be one of the politicians that year for Nigeria, and him come become military governor for Ondo State, and later him come still become chairman of the Nigerian Port Authority. Oh my people, different things just they happen. When I remember before, say na governor of Benue State, come tell us say Buhari is not doing well. In fact, many people now things just they open. You understand? So please, I want make una listen to the man by himself with himself. So join me, make we watch the video.
Look at the former governor of Lagos State. He has 3 executive jets, private jets. One, the other one with 900X, can fly from Lagos to New York. Where is his business? What business does he do? Look at the amount of money they pay each governor at the end of every year as pension. Pension for what? I served in the military. You know how much my pension is? You know how much I take home after 25 years of military service? 400,000 naira a month. If you go to Abuja 2 or 3 times, that's the end of it. I retired also as a general. But why are you paying them that humongous amount of money? These are the leakages in the system.
He's saying the truth, oh. I know so many of you now don't shock. Some of you now mouth self not feel close. Now truth, this man just can't talk. See, una go tell me now say he is one of them. He are all the same. I beg my people for 1 minute. Focus on the message, not the messenger. All of them are the same, but leave person where they talk. Just carry the words. Hi. Now like this, so one by one, all of them they come out. They expose all their atrocities one by one. They expose each other like that. It go they happen. We go sit down. No be this year. Make una relax. We just dey February. Year never even enter half. 2 people don't come outside can't talk. Then imagine by the time we reach June, hey, fire yansh go open. This thing they sweet me. I just they wish say all of them go start to come out. See, remove all those dirty from everybody's eye. Because many people now they hide inside dirty. They don't even some of them don't even know where their conscience where they don't throw out. When I don't hear them, no be me talk am. Na in come outside na come talk am. One big head. Now only one big head sit down on top nation money. There is no money. There is no money. Yes, we can see there is no money. How will there be money? How money go there when one person don't sit down? They cause poverty for everywhere. How Nigeria go move forward? How nothing say we go grow like this? And the thing they funny me because now Lagosians themselves can't allow Tinubu to come destroy Lagos. Lagosians, but see we no be even Lagosian. Tinubu no be Lagosian. Now from Osun State, una allow foreigner, stranger enter Lagos. Even see, this man no just destroy Lagos. He over pieces am. Now as e don late, una eye now e don dey open small. Yoruba people, if una like, vote for am again because matter even reach me say this Tinubu man, he don dey plan now. See 2023, he wan still dey on that seat. Make una no vote again, no. Vote because una when they don't throw away 100,000 for air like this, una start dey pick and dey rush am for una mind. This man a good man. Person don't come open eye for us. He that has ears, let him what? Hear. So me, I don't bring this matter because it is very, very important. And they should say many of us, because me too, before many of these politicians, we they see them say them good. Now until matter happen, now there we go. No, imagine. Tinubu is good. He's a good man. He's stealing your money and he's dashing you that money that he stole from you again. You don't know. Lele, say as soon as sit down there. Yoruba people sabi sit down on top one thing. As they don't talk say na Tinubu, no, you no go change their mind. Make una change this mindset, oh. If not, now so see as we dey suffer now. Everybody they complain. 2023, now so the same thing will still happen again. Are they very sure? In fact, I dey beat my chest. Nigeria get money to clear all the debts where they get. Are they, in fact, oversure they worry me? Because listen to the figures where this man they talk. One person pocket, and now they tell me say Nigeria is in debt. Nigeria is in which debt? One person pocket. We fit clear all the debts, whether na China, America, name it, all the countries where Nigeria they owe, we fit clear them. It is very simple. But these people, greed no go allow them. Just reduce, cut your salary. Imagine one person get 3 private jets. 3 private jets. No, which business this man they do? Which business you they do? No, show me your shop. They don't even get one shop where they go say, okay, I they run this thing, I they run corruption. Don't chop people conscience finish. 3 private jets. And go see where some people they sleep on that bridge. Some people don't even get one room. Some people say even manage to build Paco, no light. But una they come outside with big agbada, una they shine. God go soon catch all of you now, one by one. God go soon catch all of you now. Not even say if you die, you they carry all this wealth they travel with. That other side of the world, you no go with anything. Nothing. Even clothes where you go wear where they bury you, you go end up for underground. So why una just decide to be deliberately wicked? Why? My people, is left for una. You understand? Una don't ready to die for APC. Una don't ready to die. See, I know they support. As una they see me like this, see this my face. And you know get one party where they support. I just they live by God's grace. Because if you depend on these people, Oyo be your case. So drop your comments for that comment section. Anything where you think concerning this matter, drop them there. Subscribe and share this video so that everybody will know what thing they happen for this house. Stay tuned for our next stories.